Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Latasha Valentine, and I am going to be doing a try-on haul. So I've got a bunch of stuff. So I think in this haul I'm not going to be doing everything because it's quite a lot of items. Very affordable. I'm going to be checking out the quality, how it fits, how it looks compared to it being on the model. So yes guys, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button like no other. And yeah guys, I'm going to show you. So I've got this massive bag right so then we also have this one here as well. I've got a few that I've already taken out. These ones here that I've taken out as well. As I said, I'm not going to be going through every single one. I'm just going to do a few, and then in another video I'll try the rest of them. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so the first item I got is this dress. As I said, everything I'm going to be showing you is very affordable. Everything I got in a size small. I am a size 8. This is a small. The quality, okay, the quality itself, I really like it. The material is not see-through at all. This guys is way out of my comfort zone. It's not what I will normally buy or normally wear. Most of the time I wear everything that needs to be bodycon, but I thought I'm going to go for something completely different. I did pick this up because, you know, it did look quite summery and stuff. You know, you're having like a nice brunch or a nice little picnic, you can wear something like this, I guess. As I said, it's not out of, as I said, it's way out of my comfort zone. It's not my style whatsoever, but I thought I'm going to try something completely different. So it's got a little ruching in the front that I tied up right there. Nice. It fits really lovely, I must say. It's got a little slit. I'm going to try and see if I can show you the full thing. So the slit's right there. Really nice. Quite floaty. That's the back right there. It's very different. It's very different from what I normally wear, but I actually really like it. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. I really like it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you wear this? Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm going to be showing you is these shorts that I bought, and they're very comfortable. I literally bought them to wear them in the house. Something quite loose and comfortable. I got these, I got 3 of them, actually 3 in a pack. They're small as well, so I've got one black, white, and grey. I'm not going to, the top is my own top, so yeah, forget about that. I'm just showing the shorts. So I'm going to try it on and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so these are the shorts, and I love it. I love that look, it's got space in it. Wow, this is nice. And guys, listen, it's so thick. Oh, I love them. I really wish you could feel the material. It's so nice and comfortable. You know, when you're in the house and you're lounging around and you put that on, it's not cycling shorts, because I've got cycling shorts already. That's not what I wanted. I literally wanted shorts that's got some space in it, that's still breathable. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Let me open it. This is so nice. This is really nice. Guys, this right here is a 10 out of 10 for me. Hmm? 1 second. Guys, 10 out of 10. This shorts, 10 out of 10. Guys, this is the white pair of the shorts. Absolutely, as I said, it's the same as the black one. I'm going to try the grey one for you to see as well. Absolutely love it. It's nice and loose. The material, very thick. It's not see-through at all whatsoever. It's so comfortable on the skin. I would definitely recommend these. As I said, for me, I bought them to wear in the house, but you can literally just wear them to, you know, pick up anything from the supermarket, doing your school run, whatever. You can actually go outside in this. This is really nice. It's comfortable. Definitely recommend it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the material, how thick it is. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's really thick. Look at that. Really nice. That's the inside. Very nice. I'm going to try it and I'll show you right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back with the grey ones. Again, as I said, it's the same one as the black and the white one that I've just tried on. So comfy. I don't know what else to say about this one. Like, these are so nice. Very affordable as well. I'll see if I can find a price to put on for you to let you know how much I paid for it. But this is so cute. Okay guys, so this is the next fit, and I've put my hair up so just so you can see the whole thing properly in the back. This is more like a holiday kind of fit. I don't know. The thing is, obviously the color is not my color. But I saw it and it looks really nice. And again, it's not see-through at all. I'm going to try and see if I can show you the full thing. The skirt is quite long, all the way down to my ankle, and it's got a nice little split there in the front. And that's the back there. Now the top, or the bra top, whatever you call it, came with a long string, so you basically tie it back and forth, and then you tie it in the back there, which is quite nice and sexy. I love the sexy look, of course. You know, that's me. So with this one, material wise, look wise, I'm gonna give this a 7. Obviously I know I'm the one who ordered it, but if it was like in a darker color, like, you know, black, I would have definitely give it a 10. But it's quite nice. I think also why give it a 7 as well, I think this bit, if they've given it a little bit of padding, that would be nice to help the girls like me who have small chests. But apart from that, it's very sexy, very, very nice. Yes, I like it. Okay guys, so this is the third outfit and I love this. Please excuse the strap from my bra right here. Don't let that take away you know, the detailing and the design of this dress. This is nice. This is definitely so me. Obviously it's a lot of cutout going on around here, but yeah, bodycon, black, sexy, absolutely love it. Material again, nice and thick, you know, see-through or anything like that, guys. It is so nice, and it comes with this detail. Look at this detail, guys. The chain, it's actually sewed onto it. I think obviously I'll need to adjust it a little bit to my waist, so I'll need to make it a little bit tighter. I'm not sure if you can see that. I hope. Let me put it behind here so you can see. So I'll need to make the chain detailing a little bit tighter just to fit me. And then on this side as well, absolutely love it. It's down to my knee and it's got a nice, beautiful slit right there. So sexy. Love it. We love this. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Listen, tell me what you think in the comment. Would you wear this? I mean, I'm a sexy person anyway, so of course I'll wear this. Duh. That's why I bought it. But would you wear it? Would you get away wearing this? Can you get away wearing this? This is gorgeous. Love it. Love it. It's not overly thick and it's not thin either. The material is nice, breathable and stretchy. It's not see-through, as I said. Okay guys, so this is the next item. I don't even know what number we're on. I think we're on number I was just about to say number 25. What's wrong with me? I think we're on number 5 or 6. I'm not sure. So initially, guys, when I picked this up and I hold it up, I thought, okay, this is the only one that I felt not 100% about. This is the only one that I thought, okay, I shouldn't have ordered it. However, I've tried on and the fit is all right. So I'm slowly changing my mind. I kind of like it. Okay. Now, initially when I saw it and I picked it up, what made me pick it up was because of the detailing here. So it's got this little chain dealer, minus my bra, guys, because obviously when I do wear this, I'm not going to be wearing a bra with it. I'm sorry, darling. So of course I'm not going to be wearing a bra with it. Okay, I will turn my mouth down. Oh wow. So yes, guys, this chain detailing right here goes around to the back. That's one of the main reasons that I picked it up. It's really nice. It's black and it's got a bit of sparkles as well. Now, I do have 1 and 2 sparkles on my fingers, but it's not shedding a lot, which is good. Now, the back, I didn't even notice that the back, it had a split in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. I can't remember seeing that when I ordered it, but it still looked good. It fit quite nice, snug to the body, of course. It's 1 sleeve, 1 shoulder. As I said, it's got this little detailing. It's quite nice. So I think with this one, I'll probably give it I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7. Yeah. I'll give it a 7. I don't even know why I'm going to give it a 7, but it's definitely not a 10 or a 9. But it's, yeah, I can get away with wearing this. Of course I can dress it up because, you know me, as I said, I'm very, very sexy. And I've left my hair up as well, just so you can see the back and the detail and the cut and everything. I like it. It's very different. And I like different. I like different and I like sexy, but I don't like crazy. This is nice. Material, alright. Feel alright on the skin. It's not scratching my skin or it's not doing anything like that to my skin. Okay, I will, sweetheart, I will. So I have to speak slowly apparently, because I'm talking too loud. Okay, I'll talk, yeah. So guys, the fit, it fit nice on my body, as you can see. Look there. Yeah, it fits real nice. It's not scratching my skin or anything like that. The style I do like. I might bump it up to an 8, actually 8 out of 10. Yeah. And of course, with all of these, you know, you can follow me on Instagram so that when I do wear them and you see me style them, you'll be like, yeah, got it, girl. So this is nice. This is nice. I really like this. I really, really like this. Yeah, really like this. You know, you can move in it and still feel good, which is really nice, which is really lovely.